Hi everyone, this is Tomáš Kellner, Editor-in-Chief of GE Reports. You probably know by now we are in Czech Republic in Prague today, where the GE Aviation and the Czech government signed an important agreement about opening a new facility here to build a 3D printed aircraft engine. It's a turboprop, for a turboprop. But why I wanted to bring you here is that part of the agreement is that GE is going to be working with one of the leading universities here in Prague. Really, is the Czech MIT, the Czech Technical University, and they have an aerospace department, and many of the students who are probably there are going to be maybe one day working for GE Aviation and developing some of these 3D printed engines. Now, I wanted to bring you over here. I really want to show you an amazing plane. This is an ultralight trainer. It's an all-composite plane. It looks like a jet, but it's actually not a jet. It's using a ventilator powered by a motorcycle motor to fly. And we'll have, first I have a couple of guests over here. I have let me introduce them first, both of them. I have Milan Šlapak from GE Aviation. He's one of the leaders of the advanced turboprop engine. That's the 3D printed engine we told you about. You can read about it on gereports.com. And we have Robert Tyner, who is the head of the Department of Aerospace Engineering at the Czech Technical University, and he's going to tell us specifically about the project, about this plane, and what we can do with it. But Milan, tell us, so why is it important to have talent in your town, in your hometown, when you're building projects like 3D printed engines for planes, but at the same time you have engineers, future engineers developing planes like this one behind you?
Okay, so part of the commitment to Czech government is that we will open a brand new factory here in Czech Republic, and that we will employ a minimum of additional 500 people. Mm-hmm. And those 500 people, because it's the aviation industry, needs to be highly talented, highly skilled, and well-educated people. And that's why I'm really happy about the cooperation we have with Czech Technical University, because that's where we believe the future talents and our future employees will be coming from.
Okay, well let's ask Robert Tyner. So tell us about this plane. What is so special about it? Maybe we can stand over here so people can see us and see the plane at the same time.
Yes, it's a very unusual airplane, I would say, because it was intended to offer some other principle in ultralight category. It means instead propeller by other system here, because there is not possible to use turbine engine, so we instead piston engine, which is drive
over there,
which is drive ducted fan, and it should offer pilots jet feeling in ultralight category. But,
so let me just stop you. So if I understand it correctly, so Hanna, we have our great colleague Hanna Bolinova who's holding the phone. But I just want to show you what you see over there and what Robert Tyner from the Aerospace Department just told us. It looks like a jet.
It's
an inlet
over there.
Yeah.
It's covered just now.
So the motor is over there, and so it looks like a jet. But it's actually not a jet. It has a motorcycle engine inside. Yeah, he was going to open it. We're going to take a look inside.
But it's typical inlet.
So it's an inlet for a. It's hard to see on the thing. So it looks like a jet, but it's really there is not a jet inside, right? There is a.
No, there is a piston engine. Drives ducted fan.
So
yes, but. We are here an exhibition for military customers, because we are sure that it could be new idea in basic training for military pilots. But we instead piston engine, turbo shaft engine, which will drives ducted fan again. So it's new concept.